Welcome back to eiwayshop, your go-to destination for all things beauty and skincare. Today, we're delving into the world of makeup artistry to help you master the art of enhancing your natural features. Whether you're a makeup novice or a seasoned pro, this tutorial has something for everyone. Get ready to learn insider tips and techniques that will elevate your makeup game and leave you feeling confident and beautiful. Tip 1. Prepping your canvas. Before diving into makeup application, it's essential to start with a clean and moisturized canvas. We'll discuss the importance of skincare prep and share tips for achieving a smooth and hydrated base for makeup. Tip 2. Creating flawless complexion. Achieving a flawless complexion is the foundation of any makeup look. We'll guide you through the steps of color correcting, concealing, and foundation application to even out your skin tone and create a smooth canvas for the rest of your makeup. Tip 3. Defining your brows. Your eyebrows frame your face and can make a significant impact on your overall look. We'll share techniques for filling in and shaping your brows to enhance your natural arch and create a polished finish. Tip 4. Enhancing your eyes. The eyes are the focal point of any makeup look. We'll show you how to enhance your eye shape and make them pop using eyeshadow techniques, eyeliner application, and mascara to define and accentuate your lashes. Tip 5. Contouring and highlighting. Contouring and highlighting are powerful techniques for sculpting and defining your facial features. We'll demonstrate how to use contour and highlight products to accentuate your cheekbones, jawline, and other facial contours for a sculpted and radiant look. Tip 6. Adding a pop of color. Incorporating color into your makeup look can add personality and vibrancy. We'll explore different techniques for applying blush, bronzer, and highlighter to add warmth and dimension to your complexion. Tip 7. Perfecting your pout. A bold lip can tie your entire makeup look together. We'll share tips for choosing the right lip color for your skin tone and demonstrate techniques for precise lipstick application to achieve a flawless pout. Tip 8. Setting your makeup. Setting your makeup is essential for long-lasting wear. We'll discuss different setting techniques and products to lock in your makeup and ensure it stays fresh throughout the day or night. Congratulations! You've completed our Mastering Makeup, Enhancing Your Natural Features tutorial. We hope you've learned valuable tips and techniques to elevate your makeup game and enhance your natural beauty. Remember, makeup is a form of self-expression, so don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with different looks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to eiwayshop for more beauty tutorials and tips.